Hi, this is Brent with Loganville Christian Academy, and today I want to show you how to access our external website that contains information about all of the events, including all of our sporting events that are happening here at LCA. To get to our website, first you go to LCA's homepage, which is located at www.lcalions.com. Once there, you'll notice on the lower left-hand side a link to our calendar site. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to the calendar launch screen, which contains important information about updates that are happening to the calendar and other event. But to get to the calendar itself, I can simply click the Go to LCA Calendar button. The LCA calendar contains information around all of our activities at LCA, sporting events and non-sporting events alike. It's quite overwhelming when you look at all of it in detail. But you can filter this information down to just the particular sporting events or the information that you're looking for. To do that, I can go to the upper right-hand side of the LCA calendar and pull down the category selection to select the individual category or event that I want. So in this case, if I was looking for information around middle school basketball, I could simply select from the category selection, middle school basketball, and click on the View Results button underneath it to activate that filter. This will then take the LCA calendar and shrink it down to just information for the category that I've selected, in this case, middle school basketball. You'll notice that this is the information for November 2011. I can move forward a month by clicking on the arrows located on the far right-hand side of the screen. That will take me forward 1 month to December 2011, and I can consequently go backwards 1 month by clicking the arrows on the left-hand side of the screen to proceed backwards a month to November. This will get you information around a single event that's happening at LCA. But what if you want to see multiple events at once? It's quite simple. To do that, I go back to the categories menu where I previously selected just basketball, but in this case I'm going to click on the pull down and click on Select Multiple. When I do that, you'll notice that a secondary window pops up. I'll move it to the center of the screen so it's easier to see. This secondary window contains all of the choices that were part of that categories menu, and you can see quite a few different categories of events that are happening at LCA. In this example, if I wanted to see all of the basketball events, including junior varsity basketball and varsity basketball, I could do that by selecting all of those categories. In this case, junior varsity basketball, middle school basketball, which was already selected from my previous search, and down here near the bottom is varsity basketball. With all three of those selected, I can click Submit and then go back over on the right-hand side and click the View Results button. The calendar was now filtered to the subset of all the events that I've selected, in our case, for the three categories that we've selected of middle school basketball, junior varsity basketball, and varsity basketball. If I want to return to the full view of all the events that are happening at LCA, I can do that quite easily as well by, again, clicking on the pull down, clicking on Select All, and clicking View Results. That'll return me to my original view with all of LCA's events. Hopefully you can use this tool to find out what's going on out at LCA. The website calendar is going to be our most frequently updated calendar, so it will contain all of the latest and greatest information regarding any of the events that are happening at LCA. Look to this as the source of truth for what's happening with our events out at LCA as we try to get all of our information in one place. Thanks. If you have any questions, reach out to us here at LCA. We'll be happy to help you out where we can.